Welcome to All Things Electronics. We make electronics simple for everyone. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and help us reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. Today we're talking about washing machines. Many people ask, which one is the best? That's what we'll answer today by ranking the top washing machine brands and giving you real, easy to understand reasons why each one is good or not so good. 1. LG WM4500HW, a front load. This LG washing machine is a favorite for many families. It is very big and can wash a lot of clothes at once, about 5 baskets of laundry in one go. This is great for large families or people who don't want to do laundry every day. It washes clothes very fast. It has something called Turbo Wash 360, which sprays water from different angles. This means clothes come out clean even if the wash is short. You can wash a full load in around 30 minutes. The machine is very smart. It can tell what type of clothes are inside and adjusts water and spin speed automatically. It also knows how much soap is needed. You don't have to measure soap each time, it stores enough detergent for 18 washes. It is very quiet. Even if it's washing at night, you will barely hear it. It also saves power and water, and it has a special setting that lets you wash with cold water without losing cleaning power. This machine comes with a long 10-year motor warranty. It is made to last and is one of the best machines if you want something strong, quiet, fast, and smart. 2. Samsung WF45T6000 AW, front load. This Samsung washer is good for medium families. It can clean about 4 baskets of clothes at once. It looks very modern and has a special small door on the front. If you forget to add a sock, you can open this little door and throw it in, even after the wash starts. It also has a self-clean setting. Every few washes, it can clean the inside of the machine by itself. This helps remove bacteria and bad smells, so your clothes stay fresh. This washer is also quiet because it's built to reduce shaking. So, even if it spins very fast, it won't make a lot of noise. However, some people say it doesn't last very long. After 2 or 3 years, some parts may break, like the inside drum or the bearings. And getting the parts replaced can be expensive or take time. So if you want a washer that looks nice, is quiet, and has smart features, Samsung is a good choice. But if you want something that lasts many years without repair, this may not be the best. 3. Whirlpool WTW4955HW, top load. This washer is made by Whirlpool, a well-known American brand. It is a top-load machine, which means the door is on the top. Many people like this because you don't need to bend down to put in your clothes. It is simple to use. There are no confusing buttons. Just turn the knob, choose the cycle, and press start. It has 12 different wash cycles, so you can wash delicate clothes or dirty towels with the right setting. It has a good-sized drum and can wash medium to large loads. It also uses less water than older top-load machines. So, even though it's not as smart as others, it helps you save water and money. This washer does not have Wi-Fi or smart features, but it is strong and made to last. Many landlords and laundry businesses choose this machine because it rarely breaks. If you want something that is simple, strong, and easy to fix, Whirlpool WTW4955HW is a great choice for everyday homes. GFW650 SNWW, front load. This GE washer is a good mix of smart features and strong cleaning. It's a front-load washer and can handle large loads, so it's perfect for families or people who wash heavy clothes like bedsheets. It has smart features like Wi-Fi, so you can start and stop your wash using your phone. You can even get alerts when the wash is done. It also has a time-saver mode for quick washes when you are in a hurry. The machine also dispenses detergent automatically. It has a tank that holds enough soap for up to 32 loads. That means you don't need to add soap every time you wash. It's also gentle on clothes. It uses steam to lift stains without damaging fabric. That's great if you have kids' clothes or delicate fabrics. If you want a washer that gives you control from your phone, saves time, and protects clothes, this GE model is a smart and modern choice. Maytag WF45T6000 AW, top load. This Maytag washer is very powerful. It is built to handle tough jobs like very dirty clothes, work uniforms, or big blankets. It is a top loader, so it's easy to load clothes without bending down. It has a feature called Power Wash, which uses strong water flow and long soak times to remove stains. You can also turn on the deep fill option to add more water for heavy loads. The machine is big. It can wash many clothes in one go. That's helpful for families or people who do laundry once a week. It's not the most high-tech washer, but it is very strong and comes with a good warranty. People trust Maytag because they're known for tough machines. If you want something powerful, big, and good for hard stains, this Maytag washer is a strong pick. Bosch Waw285H2 UC, front load. Bosch is a German brand known for quiet and clean machines. This washer is perfect if you live in an apartment or want something that makes very little noise. It uses less water and energy than many other washers. It's good for the planet and helps you save on bills. Even though it saves water, it still cleans deeply using smart sensors. It has special settings for delicate clothes and baby items. It's very gentle but still removes stains. It also uses a special speed wash that gets laundry done faster when you're in a rush. It's more expensive than some brands, but the quality is high. It lasts long and is made with strong parts. If you want a washer that is quiet, gentle, smart, and efficient, Bosch is a great choice, especially in small homes. Haier HLP24E, top load, compact. Haier is a great option if you live in a small apartment, are on a budget, or live alone. This washer is small but still does a good job. You can even roll it around and store it when not in use. It plugs into a regular wall socket and connects to your sink, so you don't need special plumbing. It's easy to use, especially for first-time buyers or students. It holds a small amount of clothes, but it's great for daily use or small loads. It has multiple wash settings and even a quick cycle. If you don't need a huge washer and want something simple, small, and cheap, this Haier model is perfect. Choosing the right washing machine is not just about picking the most expensive one. Think about what matters most to you. Do you want something big? Quiet? Gentle on clothes? Easy to fix? Strong for heavy use? Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help us reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. Let us know in the comments what brand you use, or which one you plan to buy. We love hearing from you.